When the iPad 1 was announced, Ryan and I were looking at each other and we said, hey, maybe we could put our own information onto this device. So when we did that, we loaded on, I think we threw it on like iBooks, and then we loaded it on Adobe Acrobat. This little dialog box pops up and it says out of memory. And I remember Ryan, my co-founder, was just like, oh, we should build this. And I looked at him and was like, yeah, I think that would be actually kind of a good idea. And so we go through what Ryan calls the saddest story in Silicon Valley, which is 2 domain experts with a great idea and no technical co-founder. And so we go to our good friend, Antoine Hersen, who went to college with us. Ryan and I were studying construction engineering management. Antoine was studying his master's in computer science. We pitched him the idea. He was a high-frequency trading engineer in Chicago at the time. And we said, hey, you want to build this with us? And he said, that's a really good idea. I think you guys are going to do really well. You guys should learn how to program. And so it just, we were a team of 2. And at this point, I'm dating this guy named Ralph Goody. And our relationship is going steady. We're at this point where we're sharing Google Calendars with each other. And Ralph is like stalking my calendar, and he says, why are you meeting with Ryan every Thursday night for 4 hours for subject peanuts? What's going on? Totally awkward conversation. I was like, it's funny you should ask because we're actually looking for our technical co-founder. And I tell him about the problem. He's like, what's wrong with you? Do you know what I do? I'm one of the best full stack engineers I know. I'm a rendering engineer. I'm a rendering engineer at Pixar Animations. I write beautiful iOS and Android apps for fun. Are you serious? Why'd you tell me about this? And I said, hey, you want to join our team? And he was like, yeah, man, can I be CTO? I said, yeah, man, you can be CTO. So then we were a team of 3 people. When Antoine found out, because he knew how much work it would be, when he found out that Ralph had joined, he was like, all right, I'm in too, and I would like to be chief mad scientist. And we're like, OK, cool. We have chief mad scientist. I don't even know what that means. And then he also recruits one of his favorite coworkers, Kenny Stone, who was also in the same high-frequency trading firm, to join the team, so we were a team of 5.